This video is to demonstrate the effectiveness of Flame Safe's Fire Poly FP75I. The specimen that we are going to run the test on is 1x4 knotty alder. The test method that we are going to use is the ASTM D3806. The ASTM D3806 is sometimes referred to as the ASTM E84 equivalency test. It is a small scale test. This test ordinarily runs for 4 minutes. We are going to conduct the test for a slightly longer period of time. This test is normally conducted inside a chamber with windows on the side. However, for visibility purposes, we eliminated the chamber. The temperature gauge at this point reads ambient temperature of 68 degrees. Occasionally during this test, I will be shutting off the lights to show the effectiveness of Flame Safe's Fire Poly and how it intermisses when exposed to flame. Bunsen burner is set with a 4-inch flame, 4.8 cubic feet per minute of gas. Gas is all natural gas. Temperature of the Bunsen burner flame was set at 1400 degrees, which is the same temperature utilized in the ASTM E84 Steiner tunnel test. The ASTM E84 and the UL 723 and the NFPA 255 are essentially the same test. They utilize the same test methods. Bunsen burner was set 1 inch below the surface of the specimen. If you will note, the intumescence has already increased it almost exactly to the top of the Bunsen burner. If it continues to intumesce at the present rate, it will actually put out the Bunsen burner. But before that happens, I will move the Bunsen burner forward. Tests conducted at Intertech Laboratories on OSB, oriented strand board, and on I-joists obtained a flame spread rating of 0. This type of molding or trim material can be utilized in most construction systems, in building systems of type 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for finish work. Flame Safe has conducted numerous tests from many accredited third-party testing laboratories, including Underwriters Laboratories, Southwest Research Institute, Intertech Technologies, Maxim Technologies, Southwestern Laboratories, United States Testing, the Institute for Fire Safety in Europe, Underwriters Laboratories in Canada, in addition to numerous tests that were conducted in Australia. As you can see, the ambient temperature at this point has increased to 90 degrees. The thermometer was set at 6 inches center to center with the burner. Flame Safe is one of the few companies that publishes its test reports online. When choosing a fire retardant coating, it is best to ask whoever you choose if they will furnish you a test report. A single test report on one product does not mean that the coating will work on a different substrate. For more information on Flame Safe product, call 1-800-333-9197 or email us at fireprod@aol.com. Fireprod is spelled F-I-R-E-P-R-O-D, all small letters. Or you can go to our website, flame-safe.com, and obtain MSDS sheets, technical data sheets, and test reports on numerous substrates. Flame Safe also manufactures fire retardant coatings for fabric, which is called Thatch Safe. It manufactures fire retardant coating for plastic, PVC pipes, fiberglass, and other plastic materials. Flame Safe has also been tested at diversified laboratories on styrofoam, polyurethane foam, insulation, in addition to fabric. Flame Safe Fabric Safe meets the criteria of the NFPA 701, the FAR 25853A, the New York, and the Boston test. Flame Safe's Paper Safe has been tested at Southwest Research Institute under the test standard ASTM E162 and the 662 for the military specs, triple PB 320. We are going to continue this test for 3 times the standard time length under the ASTM 3806. That is 12 minutes rather than the 4 minute. At the completion of this test, I will turn the specimen over and attempt to remove some of the carbon char, that is the intumescence. The intumescence insulates the substrate from the fire. Remember, don't take chances with fire. Be safe, live safe, flame safe. This is part 1 of this particular test. Part 2, we will run the test edgeways on the board. With reverse ends. I'm removing the burner. You can see the ambient temperature did not exceed 100 degrees 6 inches away from the fire. Not enough to extend combustion. As you can see, the flame did not advance past the end of the flame front, which would indicate a flame spread rating of 0. And there was insignificant mass loss at the burner itself. Remember, call 1-800-333-9197.